Replacement part. Replacement scissor jack crank handle. Simple to use. Quickly and easily raise or lower your jacks. Compatibility. Works with 3/4 inch hex drive jacks. Features. Soft PVC padded handle provides a comfortable grip. Dimensions. 22 3/8 inches, L, by 5 3/16 inches, W. Durable construction. Made of heavy-duty, zinc-plated steel. Camco's scissor jack crank handle is a replacement part for scissor jacks. The crank handle allows you to quickly and easily raise or lower your jacks. This product is compatible with 3/4 inch hex drive jacks. Features a soft, padded PVC handle for a comfortable grip. It measures 22 3/8 inches, L, by 5 3/16 inches, W, and is constructed of heavy-duty, zinc-plated steel. Camco makes quality products for RVing, boating, camping, towing, tailgating, and grilling that help you take your passion for the outdoors to the next level. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality replacement crank. The socket is spring-loaded and swivels with ease, making it turn without resistance. Great product at a real nice price and much better than the original provided by the factory, stronger too.